Okay, for the final question here today. Now, as I said earlier, for segment notation, usually the bottom number it's 1. That's good. That's easy. But sometimes it could be 0. So now in this case, it is 0. So in this case, how many numbers are we adding together? 6. Okay, because you count 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 6 numbers altogether. So in this case, your n would be 6. Okay, your n would be 6. Now if n is equal to 0, you may see the exponent being somewhat different. So here, a1 is 10, and r is the number inside the parentheses, which is 2/5. 2/5. So S6, not 5, but 6. S6 is equal to A1, which is 10, times 1 minus your R value, 2/5, raised to the 6th power. And then 1 minus 2/5, 2/5. So I would not do any kind of simplification because I don't see anything that could be simplified nicely. I'm just going to type the whole thing into the calculator. And again, use parentheses carefully and responsibly. So you have parentheses for the numerator, 1 minus parentheses for the 2/5 raised to the 6th power, close parentheses. Well, forgot to, well, times 10 as well. Divided by parentheses, the whole denominator, which is 1 minus parentheses again, 2/5, close parentheses. And you get a fraction. And it's okay. That will be the answer. Okay, so 10,374 divided by 625. Okay, so make sure you know how to tackle this kind of situation. Again, your bottom number is not always 1. Make sure you know how to handle this when it is not 1. And make sure you count numbers carefully. And the number, the n that we use, it's not the n over here. Okay, you have to count how many numbers you are adding together. That's your n. Okay, so make sure you understand the logic behind all these equations.